Hi friends, this is Kanchan and welcome to my studio. Today I am going to paint this, which is a simple seascape background and very easy and fun way to do. So let's watch that. Okay, let's start. Taking a 1-inch landscape brush and phthalo blue. We'll do the sky first. I just love phthalo blue for the sky. For me, right kind of sky blue is a clear, bright one. And phthalo blue is a lovely color. With crisscross motion coming down towards the center of the canvas, where somewhere the ocean will meet the sky. A little bit more of phthalo blue. Starting from the top again. For a linear perspective, the sky should be deep in the top and gradually it should become lighter toward the center. Taking a clean 2-inch landscape brush, I just blend the sky. So there are no harsh lines of the brush strokes. Taking the 1-inch landscape brush again, and I will be taking ultramarine blue now. Ultramarine blue for the sea. We'll start working from the bottom of the canvas towards the center of the canvas for the water. Sorry, my brush has picked up some yellow. Wipe that off. Quick wipe. Unlike the sky where we have done crisscross strokes, for the water we will do horizontal strokes to lay the water flat. It will create an illusion of the water lying flat on the surface. Vanishing towards the center where the sea is meeting the sky. More of the ultramarine blue. Taking a small flat brush and taking ultramarine blue again. Bring the brush to a chisel edge. You can also do it with knife. I am doing with brush this time. Making some water lines. Taking a clean 1-inch brush again and blending it into the water. Softly blending into the water. We leave the sea tuna at this point and going back to the sky. Same 1-inch brush and titanium white. We will do the clouds. Imagining random shapes of clouds. Let's float them in the sky. You can have as many as you want. I'm just doing a few to show you how to do that. Blending with upward strokes. And now putting some horizontal strokes to give a puffiness to the cloud. Highlighting a little bit here. So this is a simple background to do any kind of seascape. You can maybe have a wave here, can have rocks, can have a sand beach, anything that you want. Hope you will give it a try. Thanks.